Alright guys, so as you can see, we have taken the front lights, the grill and the exterior panels, or the wheel arches. We're slowly preparing the car. For paint. What's next? Well, we're gonna take off the rear lights. And ideally, I would like to take off the bumper because bumper is going for paint as well. So, yeah, no, that needs to come off. Right, onto it.
I think we got the right one.
Okay, big man. Not this way, the other way. Good job. Okay. Yep, in a pocket. In a pocket. Hold on. Put the whoa. Put the screwdriver on the side. Okay, both hands grab it and take it out. Now hold on. No, wait. You see here?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, try to disconnect the two of them. You press you press it. Hold on. Good job. Yeah. Now press it here and pull apart. Sorry. Yep, you can do it. Hard.
Wait, no.
Okay, I'll hold this part. Look, but I'm gonna hold this one, and you just try to. There you go. That comes out. Is it?
No.
Okay, hold on a second. Maybe it's just stuck. Hold this. Hold the phone.
Yeah.
So you press it here, right? And you just try to. Oh, that's hard.
See what I mean?
Yeah, that was hard. Okay, right. I'm taking this light and you start unbolting the other one. That's weird.
What is that?
I don't know. I think that clear coat. Yeah, I think that's the clear coat. Okay, yeah. Do you know the drill? Okay. Hold on.
Let's try this one.
Okay. Now it's very hard. Press it and pull apart. Press it.
Yeah, no, I can't do it. I'm too young for this.
No, you're grand.
I don't know. I don't have the
Okay. Hold
strength.
this. Hold this. It is very hard. There you go.
You got it.
Okie dokie. Now, will you put that in the shed? Yeah. No. You. Okay. Yeah. Hello. Okay, so once you loosen them, you need to just keep unbolting them. See? And the whole bolt will come out. See? Yeah.
It's really big.
So hold on, I'll loose the other ones. Can I get the key?
I'll just take it out.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay, now be careful with the. Hold on, leave the top one in and take the bottom ones, because if you were to take all those bolts out, that's gonna fall out. Okay, so unless there's something else holding it. Yeah, keep going. Okay. Go back a little bit. Okay. I don't have to. Yeah. Don't press it too hard, okay? And step away so it won't get too warm, so it won't stick out, okay? That's good, keep going. Don't press it too hard. Hold on. See here? That's what I mean, don't press it too hard.
Oh yeah, so I should have just kind of quickly.
Yeah, you just want to scratch it. Okay? No, full face. See? Just full face. Yeah? Good boy. That's perfect. Keep going, yeah? Yeah. Get full. Very good. Okay. And now, keep going. Yeah, keep going. There we go. Okay, that's it. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna. That's okay.
What's up?
That's all good. We'll sand it again. Now I think that will do. So they're all nicely tight here. There won't be any overspray. Same in here, all the seals are covered with the blue tape. So that should be okay. What am I gonna do with the insides? I'm gonna have to take. Jesus, okay. Okay, round two, because one day wasn't enough. I didn't notice that when I was recording yesterday. The battery died on the camera, so what we did is I've masked whatever I could have. I've masked whatever I can. Yes, I've masked whatever I can. I still have the glass, the window to be masked off. That light, that window is done. Doors inside are done. Here swell handles, that needs to be sanded. Need to mask these off. We'll try to take these off. I'll keep that. Bumper is done. Logo is protected. And the indicators need to come off. I need to strap this because, yeah, I need to strap that. Oh yeah, this left. Okay, there's still a few things to do. So enjoy watching. Okay, that's a wrap. Right, car's wrapped. I think that's it for the moment. I'm not going to be painting it in that high heat. It's about 30 odd degrees outside, and the sun would have just ruined the paint and ruined me. Anyways, we'll wait for the evening, and then we're gonna paint it.